We are live, my friends. Welcome back. Who is in the chat? We had 5 people waiting already. There we go, guys. How are you doing? It is another day, man. I did enter a short, guys. I had a really nice entry, but I closed it right at the low. I hope you can see a little pump here, so I can go into a short again, but maybe we're gonna dump from here actually. We will see, guys. New York open right now. So who's in the chat? Dank Dolphin, welcome back. Peach User, Abdu, welcome back. Let's see what New York open is gonna give us here, guys. I hope we can find one nice setup today, guys. I also don't mind if you go lower, so we're gonna look for a long. But I did take some nice trades already, guys. I did actually take some really nice trades. So yeah, but I decided to close this here, guys. I was happy with the profits. And as you know, yesterday we got stopped out on the short. So giveaway. So people are showing the giveaway. Guys, we're gonna do it like this time. I'm gonna choose... Wait, let me see so you can hear me properly. I'm gonna choose the winners on Monday stream, and I'm gonna choose the 10 most active people today and on Monday. So we'll have 20 people. Man, we're dumping, guys. I should have re-entered here, I guess. This was actually a nice level as well. Well, let's see, guys. Maybe we're gonna go higher again. I'm just gonna wait a bit now. I'm gonna wait with the next trade, guys. Yesterday we got the best trades at 6 PM until the market closed, so we just have to be patient, I guess. I also don't mind if we go lower, then I'm gonna long again. I actually have one long place, but it is much lower, but this is a really good trade. So I'm gonna leave this running in case we just dump massively. This is a really nice order flow level here, guys. I'm definitely gonna long this here. Let's see, we are dumping. New York open dump. That is kind of rare. So Dank Dolphin, what did you... Time to spam the W's. Yeah, guys, if you're active, I'm gonna, at the end of the stream, I'm gonna look at the top fans. So that the people are at the top, the 10 people that are on the top, are gonna be qualified, guys, for the giveaway on Monday. And guys, the people who won the previous accounts, they already got it. You can check on Discord. Let me actually show you quickly. What are all those indicators? This is order flow, man. So on the bottom you can see the order flow. This is the live CME order flow of ES, and on the top you can see TradingView. And how I trade, I use order flow combined with technical analysis. So this is how I personally trade. We're at the daily open, guys. We retest the daily open here. I'm not gonna long this, guys. This is not an A+ setup at all. We gotta wait here. We have to definitely wait for a nice entry. All we need is one good trade, guys. All we need is one good trade. Why does this chart look the same? Is it consolidating? I mean, we have been ranging, guys. We have been in this range here. Look at this range here. I shorted this high like 2 times already. So this was even the short from today that I took at the exact high. So I'm just gonna long the low here, but I don't want to long this here again. So we're gonna wait for a little bit lower to stop out all these longs from here. And I'm gonna look for a short if you go higher again. Definitely gonna look for a short again if you actually pump higher. Which indicator? This is not an indicator. This is, well, this is a fixed range volume tool on TradingView. And on the bottom you can see the order flow software. So I made this all myself. This whole tool I set up myself. It's called ExoCharts. Batch is also back. Welcome back, Batched. What a nice weather in Switzerland. Every day it's sunny, guys. It is absolutely beautiful here. So we're gonna look for one clean trade, guys. Hopefully a nice take profit on stream. I already took some trades, so we're not gonna force too many trades today. I guess I could have held this, guys, but it was even risky. I mean, holding shorts is just so risky right now. So Yob0 received the giveaway, guys. Here you can see in the chat, he even wrote it to you guys. He already received the giveaway, and you can see it here as well. For all the people that claim I do fake giveaways on X, I'm quickly gonna show this to prove them wrong here. So this is my free Discord on the bottom, guys, and here are the previous 2 winners that we draw live on stream. under Funded Journey, they will post their journey now on their new account. So you can see here, Rajiv won like 2 days ago, I think. He did receive the 15k account here. This is the proof he posted. And this is Yapzero, he's also on the stream, guys. So my giveaways are not fake. For anyone that claims this on X, these giveaways are not fake, guys. Even though we have some comments, I don't know why, guys. Some people I think are fake those giveaways. But they are all real. You can check yourself. All real giveaways, guys. Great Warhead. Yeah, I changed the thumbnail a bit. I need to change my thumbnail more often. I think it's good for the algorithm, guys. So smash the like, guys. Pump the reactions up so we can get into the algorithm today. And as I said, we're gonna give away more accounts on Monday, guys. So today, the most active chatters of today will be qualified for Monday's giveaway. So the top 10 chatters will have a chance of winning accounts on the Monday stream. So be active, guys. Don't spam though. Don't spam random stuff, please. I don't want to see random spamming. That would be really bad, yeah. Winner giveaways, bro, you're helping the community. Yes, guys, my goal with this channel is the bigger I get. I said this many times already. I know I'm repeating myself. But the bigger the more viewers I get, the more giveaways I can get for us, guys. So this is the whole plan as well. I'm giving away a lot, guys. A lot of influencers, they take the money. Instead of giving stuff out, they just take the commissions and just don't give anything out. And my goal is to give as much back as I can, guys. So I hope that makes sense. But I need to chill a little bit on the giveaways. FundedNext was, I don't know, they told me to wait a little bit more with the giveaways. I need some other prop firms, guys. I need some other prop firms that partner up with me so we can give some more accounts out. Actually, guys, you know what? Alpha Capital wrote to me. Alpha Capital actually texted me. So we might get some new partnership for the next week and some new accounts. Someone from the community actually texted them. That was kind of funny with my email. Someone reached out with my email and they sent me an email now that they're interested in a partnership. Did you get Lucid? Man, I'm trying to get Lucid, and it's so hard. They don't accept new partners. They don't accept new partners right now. I don't know why. I tried to reach them out. I tried to reach out via email. I signed up on their website. Yeah, I'm trying to get Lucid accounts, man. I really like Lucid as well. I even have myself Lucid accounts, even though I'm not partnered. They're really good. They have a really good price. They have really fair rules. FundedNext is the same basically, but I'm already max funded on FundedNext, so so the next goal is to get Apex max funded, which will take some time because you can get 20 accounts max funded there, so it will take some time. But also Lucid is what I'm looking at as well. Founding pips Sato, yeah, founding pips would be nice as well, even though I don't think the reputation is as good as it used to be. Maybe I'm wrong though, guys. I don't think it is as good. Samson, I actually asked him this, but I cannot change this now. But on the next contract I will get more 5k accounts, so we can do more giveaways. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask the next prop firms for smaller accounts, so we can run much more giveaways. We are dumping, guys. We are still dumping here. This is one of the few bearish New York opens. Usually we always pump on New York open. It's kind of funny. Usually there's always a pump, most of the time at least. I can actually get you to talk with Goated Funded or any other. Actually, I think Goated Funded, they texted me, but are they legit, guys? Is Goated Funded legit? They sounded like, I don't know, I've never used them. I don't want to promote like scam prop firms, guys. I only want to partner with really good prop firms. There's no reason to like promote bad prop firms, guys. Which indicator are you using? So this is an order flow software. This on the bottom you can see my order flow software. I have different templates in here. For example, here you can see the TPO charts. Here you can see the session point of controls and time point of controls. These are really insane levels to trade. And this is the live order flow that I've opened all the time. And on top you can see trading view. This is where I execute my trades. So I use prop firms. I connect my accounts on TradingView or TradeAwait, and I have a trade copier that basically copies all my trades that I take on TradingView onto my other account. So if I take one trade here, guys, this is times 10. So for example, here you see I only lose 200, but that's not true. This is only on one 50k account. So if I go into the trade, I risk more than 2k on every trade. And here if I hit full 5-hour take profit, which obviously is not that easy, but it can happen, then it would make 1k on each account. So this is how you, yeah, for all the new people watching, hope that makes sense. And if you want to check out the trade copier, guys, I linked it in my description as well. It's the best. I made a lot of research. It's actually the best trade copier out there. Giveaways. Guys, as I said, today we're gonna, for the next 2 streams, we're gonna do it a bit different. We had many lurkers that just came into the stream for the giveaways, so we're gonna change it up a bit. So the most active people of today's stream, the 10 most active people right now, who are the most active? Let me have a look. So Alena is rank 1, Batched is rank 2, Warhead rank 3, up to rank 4. And so I can see the whole list, guys. So the top 10 people will qualify for the Monday giveaway. Germany in the house. Nice, some people from Germany. That's cool. Where did you come from, MS? Did you get on this to the stream for my Instagram, or did you follow me from X? Let me know in the chat, guys. Where are you guys from? Are you from X? Are you from my Instagram? Are you from my Discord? I hope we can go a little bit higher, guys. Then we're gonna short again. But I did not place a limit short. I want to wait for the reaction. So I did not place a limit short. We're just gonna wait here. A lot of market buyers here again. 870 more market buyers on the last 5-minute candle here than sellers, guys. Maybe we can reclaim the daily VWAP. Fivers is also great. Yeah. True. Fivers, I know they are legit. I only don't want, listen, guys. I only don't want to partner with like new prop firms, because it's way too risky for me to promote a prop firm that has no track record, basically. I only want to give away really good accounts of the top prop firms, guys. I don't care about these small prop firms. I got a lot of people that DM me on X. Guys, by the way, 16 people watching already. What is going on? Holy, 18 people watching, guys. You are insane. We might break a record today. We might actually break a record. Have you had breakfast this morning and drank coffee? Yeah, I did have breakfast. No coffee today. But I'm gonna drink this here. This is basically coffee as well, so... I found it from my boyfriend. Really? Beach user, that's cool. That's actually cool. I saw you also followed me on X, on Instagram, Peach User. How's your challenge going, guys? Peach User also won an account. Peach User won a 15k account recently on a stream. Let us know, Peach User, how's it going? Did you take any trades? And guys, if you win an account, I'm gonna do it like this. This is a really cool idea that I had the last time. Let me quickly show you. So on my Discord, guys, I created a section for all the giveaway winners. They also sent proof that I got their accounts here, and they will update you, hopefully they will do it, on their challenge. So if they lose trades, if they pass it, and yeah, you can, guys, you can post your journey here. That would be really cool for the community to see. So yeah, if you win an account, guys, post your journey here for everyone to see. Even if you, losing trades, you don't have to only post winners. We want to be transparent here, guys. But I think this is a cool idea. But thank Dolphin, we might have a lot of spammers today, but it doesn't look like it. I mean, Goat is legit, I can vouch. Alena as well. Really? Alena sneaky? That is kind of funny. That is actually kind of funny. Are your boyfriends trading as well? It sounds like it. We gotta do some Forex trading streams one day, guys. We have to do some Forex trading streams. Because I know a lot of people in my community that actually trade CFDs that don't trade futures yet. But maybe I can get them to trade futures. Honestly, guys, I think a lot of people, they don't trade futures because they think it's complicated to set up. But with TradingView, it's so simple. You just have to activate TradingView on TraderWeight when you log in, and then you can directly trade through TradingView. So let me show you here for all the people that have never traded futures. So I'm logged in now on all my accounts, well, on one account, but now I can right click here on the chart and I can place a limit. It's really simple. So you can place a limit, the stop loss, then you will see how much you're gonna lose. And it's really, really simple, guys. I also didn't know this actually when I first started out. Warhead asked boyfriend. Yup, he showed me your channel recently, so I got invested. That is really cool. But does he trade as well? So he trades as well, right? What does he trade? Kind of boring, guys, because I'm not in a trade, but we will find one. We are gonna find one. We are pumping again a bit. Man, I changed something on extra charts. I cannot zoom out the same way. It's so annoying. It's kind of annoying right now. My zoom doesn't work properly. We had a ton of buyers here at the highs, guys. So I took this short here. But I closed it right here. So I did close this short right here below the daily VWAP. Just because I don't want to hold shorts too long. So how is your trading going, guys? How long have you been trading and what exactly do you trade? Oh, Elena's sneaky. Elena, what do you trade? That would be nice to know. I wish my window looked like that. You gotta come to Switzerland for that, my friend. Austria has really nice views as well. It looks really similar to Switzerland. Just got into it, so I'm doing forex trades on a demo account to get a feeling for it. How was your day, guys? Are you green? Let's do a little vote here. Let's do a little vote here on stream quickly. Because I don't see any trades here yet, guys. How often do you stream? I stream every day. I try to stream from Monday to Friday every day. Try to stream every day. Let me start a poll here, guys. Let me call it, how was your day? How was your trading day? And then we're gonna do one option green, red, and one no trades. No trades, there we go. So guys, leave a vote here. Let's see how your day has been going, guys. FundedNext is really a top prop firm, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I really, honestly, guys, if you're not max funded on FundedNext, I would really use FundedNext, especially the 15k bold challenge accounts. The new ones are really good. Let me show you something quickly. I want to show you something quickly, guys. On FundedNext, because many people don't understand this, I think. This is really important when you choose the accounts, because they have a new account, and I want to quickly talk about this for 1 second here. Where is it? Giveaway. Wait, why doesn't it show? Alright, I have to re-add this, I guess. FundedNext. I'm quickly going on the FundedNext website here to show you guys. So these are the best futures accounts right now, guys. I didn't have them when I started. But if you're deciding to get an account, these are the cheapest accounts and the best. I'm gonna tell you why quickly. It's a little bit hidden here, so most people don't read this, but you do have a consistency rule only throughout the challenge. It's here you can see it. So you have a consistency rule of 40% only throughout the challenge, right? It costs $99 and you have these are basically the normal rules beside the daily loss, but the daily loss really doesn't matter if you have proper risk management. And compare it with the rapid challenge, right? Which is much more expensive. So the 15k rapid account is $200, right? But here's the key thing, guys. A consistency, you don't have a consistency throughout the challenge, but when you get funded, you have one. So these are actually much worse. So they're more expensive, they're twice as expensive, but they're not as good. So make sure to get the cheaper one, guys. This one, this 50k account, make sure to get this one. Yeah, this is a really good price. With my code, you even get 5% off. I would really get those, guys. These are the best here. The rapid accounts are extremely underrated. I swear on my heart, I've been everywhere looking for an opportunity to trade them. I would get the bold ones, actually. The rapid ones are not bad as well. But I would say the bold ones are better because once you get funded, you have no consistency. So you have no consistency rule. And on the rapid one, you have one throughout. You have no consistency rule throughout the challenge. But once you get funded, you have a consistency rule. So this is actually worse because you don't want to have a consistency rule when you're funded. This is much better. I mean, who cares about the challenge? So I recommend to get the cheaper ones, the bold challenges. By the way, guys, make sure to spam those reactions. Yeah, we need to break a new record. We had 13,000 reactions on yesterday's stream. That was crazy. That was actually crazy, man. But the rapid accounts are good as well, but they're just, yeah, they're twice as expensive for the 50k account. So I would get the bold accounts, guys. You save $100. Like you can pay $500 to get max funded, so you can have maximum 5 funded accounts on futures on FundedNext. When I watch the live stream from bed, I sometimes have to really concentrate to stay awake because of the music, to know what the music you're listening to. It's like a meditation music. It's actually no copyright meditation music that I think sounds kind of good. And it helps us focus, guys. It helps us focus on the chart. I'm gonna leave this music for a while. I think it's the best, and it has no copyright. But it can be a little bit too relaxing, that is true. Imagine Peach User, if you're gonna win again on Monday, then you are really lucky. So Peach User won 2 giveaways already in a span of like 1 or 2 months, I think. How do you go on about passing them? So what I usually do, I risk $200 on each 50k account. For every trade I risk $200. So you would have to lose 5 trades in a row. No, actually more. You'd have to lose 10 trades in a row to blow the account. And if you're profitable, losing 10 trades in a row is kind of difficult. And I also have a rule that after 2 losses, so if I lose $400, I'm gonna stop for the whole day. So this is how I actually manage my risk, guys. So after 2 losses, I'm done for the day. If I win more, I can obviously trade further. Tell me about the background music. I don't know the name, actually. I don't know the name. We are dumping, guys. I should have re-entered. So we had an order flow level. We did actually have an order flow level again here. At 7172 and the very high. I should have re-entered this short, I guess. But maybe we're still gonna go higher, guys. We're gonna give it more time. Yesterday we actually had the best trades at like 6 p.m. and now it's 4 p.m. So we gotta be a bit patient here and wait for the cleanest setups. There's no need to rush into trade, guys. Never rush into trade when you don't see a good setup. That's the worst thing you can actually do. Can you share a link or channel name? I'm gonna share if I find it again, I'm gonna actually share it on YouTube. I don't understand the language very well. I'm with a translator. What language do you speak? Spanish? My average risk reward is around 3. But it depends. It's not always the same on every month. But I want to change my... So what I found out with my strategy, guys, I often close my trades way too early. So I actually often close them way too early, even though they go into like 4 to 5 hour profits. So I'm gonna try to hold my trades longer because I think my stats will be even better. Are you Dutch? The background is very nice. I'm not Dutch, I actually am Swiss. I was born in Switzerland actually. But a lot of people think I'm Dutch, based on my accent, I guess. A lot of people actually think that. Where are you guys from? Let me know in the chat where you are from, guys. Would be nice to see. Everyone type their country name. 2% risk will give you 5 opportunities to trade. 1% will give you 10 opportunities to trade. Yeah, that is true. This is why I always tell you guys, especially when you're starting out, don't risk a lot. You don't need to risk a lot to make money. Like risking $200 on a $50,000 account is more than enough. Like even with this setup, you can make around $600 to $800 at 3R. It's $600, and I usually hold to 2 to 4 hours on my trades. And you will have a lot less stress if you don't risk much. If you don't risk a lot, trading is much less stressful as well. So most people make the mistake, they just want to pass fast, then they start risking a lot and they start blowing the account. And then you have to buy another one. Guys, we are dumping, man. I should have really re-entered there. I was really thinking about this. I was actually considering that, but yeah. We had a lot of buyers here, but we're dropping. I think we can actually go lower from here. Nigeria, you have some people from Germany as well. All these are in challenge phase. No. Most of them are funded. I have like 11 accounts and wait, 6 or 7 are actually funded out of the 11. The other ones I still have to pass. But most of them are funded, yeah. We have a lot of sellers here again. At the bottom here. 1.6k negative delta on this candle, so we lost the daily VWAP. This is actually bearish, guys. This is actually bearish right now. I wish I would have re-entered the short, guys. I should have. But it is fine. We had a really clean entry at the high, so it is fine. I'm gonna check now if we have some. I actually checked before already. But the best levels, the best order flow levels are actually lower, guys, for longs. So we have to wait a bit here. 7,100 is decent. But 7,070, guys, once you go here, I'm definitely gonna look for a long. This is a really clean entry, so we're gonna stop out all the longs from the previous 5 days. There's a ton of liquidity here as well. 7,100 looks good as well, though. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit though here. I definitely don't want a long here, guys, with my strat here. Wow, we are dumping hard. Crazy dump. Yeah, so I closed here, as you can see. Then we pumped back, and this is actually where I wanted to re-enter. This is where I was thinking of re-entering, but I didn't do it. It is fine though, guys. We're gonna find another trade. Manish is also back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's see what the day is gonna bring. So how many people are, let me see the votes. We have 20 votes. So 37% had a green day. 60% had a red day only. So not a lot of people lost money, and 50% didn't take a trade. Alright, so guys, we gotta find a trade for all of you. We gotta find a nice trade here. I'm gonna end the poll now. What is your thoughts on metals? I like to trade them actually, but I only trade them on my Forex account. I only trade them on my Forex account, and I do swing trades. Hey Sato, where can I see which link I used on FundedNext? You sadly can't. I don't know why they haven't added this feature. You cannot see that, but maybe you probably didn't use any link. Yeah, and it's kind of annoying with FundedNext that that you have to delete the account and sign up again to be under my link. It's kind of annoying. But yesterday someone said it is possible to do that. I'm not 100% sure though, guys. I hope we can go to the highs again, guys. Then we're gonna look for a short. Or go lower. I don't mind if we go lower. We're gonna look for a long. If we go higher, we're gonna look for a short. It's simple as that, guys. We're gonna trade this range. We're just gonna keep trading this range. I mean, look at this range. One perfect short up here, another perfect short up here. This didn't get touched. Then we had a really clean short here, and this is the short I took today. There were 4 really nice short opportunities from the value high here. And we also had order flow levels here, and really nice longs from the lows. So we're just gonna trade this range. Really simple, guys. And right now we're in the middle of the range. This is why I don't want to trade. There's no high probability setup here, and it's too risky. So this is my plan. What do you look for when you're journaling? I use my trade copy software actually for journaling, and also ChatGPT, which I can suggest you to use as well. But the trade copy software actually tracks all your trades. It's gonna give you the win rate, your P&L, and everything. And there's also a journaling option in there, so it's really cool. They also have a risk management option where you're gonna just close the trades if you reach a certain loss a day. The link is in the description, guys, if you want to check them out. It's the last link, the trade copy software I use. And it's insanely good. They're also gonna add Forex, by the way. Can't wait for that. They're also gonna add Forex soon. This is kind of random pump here. We didn't really have a nice technical level here. I mean, we had this session point of control, but I would never ever trade this, guys. Never. Have you tried to trade seller? Yeah, I've tried them, but I don't use them anymore. They're good though. They're also good. But if I have this software, I don't need any other one. Like, this is all I need in it. No trading area, no, I don't want to trade this because we're in the middle of the range. On top you can see we are kind of in the middle of this whole range, so there's not a really good high quality setup here. I want to see a big dump. I think we can see some big action today, guys. Remember yesterday the biggest action actually was at 6 p.m, 6 to 7 p.m, and now it's 4 p.m. So I think we can still see a lot of action today. New York Open was kind of boring so far. What's something that you started doing that helped you find consistency? Yeah, I have a max trades per day rule that I mentioned before. So when especially on losses, so once I lose 2 trades or $400 on each 50k account, I stop trading the whole day. This is really important, guys. I did this mistake a lot when a lot of people do that. They start tilting and they start doing really stupid stuff and blow the account. So the most important thing is just stop trading after 2 losses and come back the next day, or even take 2 or 3 days of a break and then come back. So that's what I can really recommend you guys. Yes, guys, nice pump. I want to see higher. I would like to go into short again, actually, from higher. Around 7176 looks like a really good short. Or maybe even this high here again, if we go to the highs here again. Let me see, do we have any other level here? We have actually no untouched levels. And this is a long level I'm gonna take here, guys. 7070. This is a really nice long level. But it's gonna take some time to get there. Maybe next week we're gonna go there. I don't think we're gonna dump there today. Would be nice though, would be nice. 2 losses, whether they're valid or impulsive decisions, you stop after 2, no negotiation. It is difficult, yes. It is actually difficult, don't get me wrong, guys. After 2 losses you already are a bit tilted. And this is why it's important, because there's no reason to take more than 2 losses. You're gonna take the worst trades after 2 losses. And sometimes it's also just better to give the market more room to breathe again, and then enter a new trade on the next day. This is one thing I can really recommend you guys. This is how you don't blow the accounts for a long time at least, or never if you have a really good strategy. Is there any specific reason you keep going for all these shorts? I mean, it's really simple actually. I just shorted the high again so this was a swing failure pattern of the last high. You could see here we pushed above the last high a little bit, so we stopped out all the shorts, a lot of shorts that had a tight stop loss, and that tried to short the last high. They got stopped out, and then we saw the big correction. So this was a classic swing failure pattern. And we've been in this range, guys, since last Friday. Actually, we have been in this range, you can see on top here, since last Friday. So I'm just looking for shorts at the highs and looking for longs at the lows. Once we break out, so once we see this here, we're gonna break higher. That would be a breakout of the range, right? But we can also go lower, it depends now. So this range really is gonna determine the next big move, basically. If we go lower a lot or if we go higher. But right now we are ranging, which is actually kind of normal. It's normal to range after such a big pump, guys. This is kind of normal. We have seen a massive ES pump. If I go on the daily time frame, guys, look at this here. We have gone, ES has gone from 6,380. This was on 31st March up to 7,150. So this was an insane move. This is why we're consolidating now. So we might go higher or we're gonna go lower. Nobody knows. This range here really is gonna show us the next big move though. Once we see a clear breakout. But right now, this is a really nice range to trade, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's a really nice range to just trade. For all the new viewers, guys, wait, what did TJ Webs wrote? The New York session has been difficult to trade lately. Yeah, that's true. I mean, this was also, I took this trade like 2 hours before New York Open. It was the best trade for today. And also yesterday, this was also at 5 p.m. So we saw the big dump at 5 p.m. So like 2 hours after New York Open. Like New York Open didn't give a lot of good trades. Not gonna lie, guys. New York Open, yeah. Most of the good trades are either before New York Open or after. This is also why I'm just waiting now, guys. I think we can see a big move and then we can go into trade. We are at the point of control here as well from this range. Definitely gonna go down. I'm not sure, we're still in the range. But we lost the daily VWAP, that is true. That is true, yeah. George wrote, I hope I'm not wrong, accumulation range distribution upwards until the change of Fed president, then falling. I mean, I just trade my levels, guys. I don't really look at news, even though they have a big impact, but nobody knows which news are gonna come out, you know what I mean? So I just trade the order flow levels and technical levels, that's it. But most of the time, actually, like, the news end up bringing the price to the levels that I want to trade. So this is actually kind of thing. Is trading live harder than trading normally? That's a funny question. It is a bit, especially in the beginning, you have to get used to it, for sure. You have to get used to it. Because I really have to, I told you this in the beginning, guys, like I don't take many trades. I take like 1, 2, 3 days max a day, usually. Sometimes a little bit more, but really rarely. So it is kind of difficult because obviously for the algorithm, it would be better if I was in a trade all the time. A lot of streamers are always in a trade. But I don't want to lose money, guys, because yeah, I actually trade on my own funded account. So yeah, I'm not getting affected, no, but it was a little bit strange when I started out. All the levels, LVNs, what are LVNs? So guys, on Monday we choose the winners from the 10 most active chatters. Let me see a look who's on rank 1. Hiro Bellevo is on rank 1, Manish rank 2, Alena rank 3, George rank 4, Batch rank 5, Warhead rank 6, Abdu is rank 7, MS, no idea what this is, MS rank 8, and Samson rank 9. Eternal is rank 10, guys. So at the end of the stream, I will actually write down all the top 10 ranks, and I'm gonna put them into Grok Live. And on Monday I'm gonna do the same, and at the end of Monday's stream, these 20 people, we're gonna choose the winners with Grok. So we're gonna use AI to choose the winners live on stream. So you will see the names, and we're gonna choose the winners live like this. I wanted to do it a bit different this time, guys. See how this one goes. Sasha, welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. Samson, you're in top 10. Yeah, who's rank 1 again? Hiro's rank 1. He's probably spamming a lot of reactions, guys, because he chatted as well a lot. But I think spamming reactions also increases your rank, guys. So make sure to like the stream, spam the reactions. I think actually if you spam reactions, it will also increase the rank, but I'm not 100% sure, guys. Look at all the messages all want to choose. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm using, but honestly, guys, this is really good for my stream. This method is really good for my stream. And as I said, the more viewers we get, the more giveaways. Simple as that. But I got a lot of people that complained in the last stream because a lot of people just came from X for the giveaways. And some of them had like a weird name as well. So we're gonna do it a bit different. We're gonna choose winners that actually are active on the chat. You always use order flow in trading. I only use it for futures. For Forex, I don't use order flow. You cannot use order flow on CFD accounts. So for Forex, I only use technical analysis on TradingView. how is my X tweet doing, guys? Let's have a look. And guys, you can also type ! giveaway. Even though we're not going to choose the giveaway like this, but we have 15 people here in the giveaway. And guys, this was the winner. I'm going to show this quickly again. This was the winner from last stream, Louis. And you can see here on my Discord, guys, for all the people again that think we do fake giveaways. I'm gonna show this once more here quickly. You can see the winners from last stream, guys, on my Discord under Funded Journey. So this was Rashif. He won an account yesterday or 2 days ago, I think. You can see FundedNext server. He got a $15,000 account. So this was one from 2 streams ago, and there's the other one. And another 15k account. Completely free, guys. These guys didn't pay a single cent. Just wanted to show this quickly, guys, because some people on X think I do fake giveaways, so I decided to show this quickly. I know that all the people that watch me all the time know that I'm not faking it, but... You only have to type it once, up to. Please don't spam. Up to, you only have to type it once. No need to spam it. Last road. Don't worry, guys, you're in. Look at what happened from April 2019. Let's have a look what George is saying. 2019 to February 2020. Let's have a look here, guys. We're gonna go to the weekly chart here quickly. So he said April 2019. April 2009. Well, that's far back. That is far back. April 2019. Well, this was actually... Yeah, this was the low here. This is as far as I can go back here, actually, on TradingView. And what did he say? To February 2020. Yeah, so we just pumped here. Yeah, what is with that? That scenario is similar to current one on a larger scale. Yeah, that's true. But this is why I'm telling you guys, look at the ES chart. This is why by longs are much more profitable in general, because we're still in this uptrend, guys. So you have a higher chance of winning longs. This is usually why I also close my shorts earlier, and I'm more careful with shorts. Because we are trading against the trend with shorts, especially right now. We're above the all-time high. You are not doing fake giveaways. No, I don't. But some people always on X like, wait, I'm gonna show you. Maybe I find like one guy who thought that I'm doing fake giveaways. Let me show you quickly on one of the tweets. Yes, we're pumping a bit, guys. I like to see it. Man, a lot of new buyers though. This, I mean, if we don't hold this daily VWAP, this is not good. We're gonna be trapped here. So we're gonna go shorter if that happens. But I still want to wait with my trade, guys. So let me show you this quickly. On X it was. Let me go to X. I even replied to him and told him he can actually watch the stream if he wants to. Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? Trying to find it. Well, I don't find it now. Wait, did he delete it maybe? Did he actually delete his tweet? This is my new tweet, by the way, guys. Let me show you quickly. You can also like. This helps me. It helps the algorithm as well. You can actually like. I'm gonna follow some people on X right now that I recognize their name as well. Where's X? So this is the tweet I posted 50 minutes ago. Let me see who commented. HyperGPT, I don't know this guy. But where was it? There was like one guy, I don't know, I don't find him now, but there was one guy like 1 or 2 tweets ago. But I responded to him, guys, so it's fine. What asset types do you hedge fund trade? Futures or CFDs? Both, actually. Both, actually. I do trade both. What is dumb money? Most of us know you're legit. Yeah, that is true. But I always like to share it on stream a little bit as well, because sometimes there are new people watching, you know what I mean? I know that all the people that have been watching me for a longer time, they know that I don't fake them, but put your link in the description. I should have all my links in my description. So Alex wrote he's gonna try as long as 41 or at 7141. So right here, it's actually a decent level, Alex. It is a one. No, actually, wait, is it? Yeah, it is a 1 hour level. Do we have an orderflow level? Let me look for you. I don't think we have an orderflow level. Let me see if you have any other confluence for your trades. I mean, it's a low of today's range as well. And we have actually a time point of control here as well. You can try it, I guess. Yeah, and that's previous day point of control as well, and the previous day VWAP. So we do have some levels there, Alex, if you want to try long. It's not a bad setup. I'm personally gonna wait a bit for a bit lower though, I think. We will see what the order flow is gonna tell us. Yesterday was so sad, guys. So yesterday we took a small stop loss on stream, and then I went off stream and I saw another pump and I entered a short. And this was actually a really nice trade off stream. Some kind of, yeah, it was kind of unfortunate that it wasn't on stream. I don't know, New York Open has been so strange to trade this week. There are not any good setups at New York Open, even today. Like the best setup was 2 hours before New York Open. I mean, do you believe in stop loss hunting? I mean, short squeeze and long squeezes are 100% real. Especially when you trade futures. If you trade Forex, it is different, yeah. I really admire your analysis, thank you. What you say, I just answered it, Alex. It is a decent long. It is actually a decent long. We have some levels there. You can try long there. You take the short for now. No, I'm not in the short right now. I took one short here, you can see it here. I did go into a short right here at the high, but I closed it here. I fully closed it right here. It was off stream as well. So right now I'm just looking for one more trade. Gonna look for one more trade here with you guys. But I don't know, New York Open is just weird. It's just not, there are no good moves. The levels just don't get hit during New York Open. Where to set stop loss? I would actually put stop loss. Let me see quickly. I would actually put the stop loss. Yeah, I would probably do a 20-point stop loss if I were you, but you can also do so at like 7120. 7120-ish if you enter at 7131. But you can also try below these lows, but that's more risky. I would use a wider stop loss on this trade. Yesterday was a classic seek and destroy at its best. Yeah, the best setup came at 6 PM. It is... Wait, we're seeing open positions on your chart. Is it a glitch? It's showing that you're in a short. That is not a glitch. Oh wait, you probably misunderstand it. So if there's an open position, guys, you will see it on the top right, unrealized P&L, it will move, because then I'm gonna be in a trade. But this is a trade I opened here off stream and closed off stream. And what you see here, this is a limit order. This is a buy limit order, take profit here, but I'm gonna actually move that lower once you're in the trade and stop loss. So this is a limit order I've opened. I'm just gonna wait if we hit that, but right now we're far away. But this is one I took off stream actually. I'm not in a trade right now though, I'm not in any trade right now. These arrows are just where I entered the short before the stream. How much percent do you risk per trade? $200 on a 50k account. And I have 11 accounts, so risk 2.2k on each trade. No, actually a bit more yeah, because I have a 150k account as well. But I risk $200 on a 50k account. Me watching in 480p. Are you on the phone? Samson, are you actually on the phone or what? Can you even read something on 480p? Wait. Trading off screen, impossible. Yeah, I took this trade. Guys, I cannot take every trade on stream. Sometimes the moves just happen off stream. It is what it is. Like yesterday as well, I was waiting, like, I don't know, New York Open this week was so boring. The best trades were never at New York Open. He's asking too many questions. He wants to rank up, guys. He wants to win the account on Monday. You guys are funny. Imagine how active the chat is gonna be once you get like 5 accounts to give away on stream. It will be crazy. It will actually be crazy in here. What about in the challenge phase? I mean, on Apex, listen, if you use Apex, guys, because you only have 30 days to pass. So if you use Apex, you can risk more. The accounts are dirt cheap anyways. So on Apex, I would risk more on each trade. But once you're funded, I recommend to risk only $200. There's no reason to risk more for each trade. You just have a higher probability of revenge trading, of losing the account, so yeah. The competition is crazy. Oh, this is so funny with the new XP. Let's see who is top fan. Alex is actually rank 1. Wait, how does this work? How is Alex rank 1 now? Let me see, top fans. What's the leaderboard? A place for fans to stand out in the community. The top 3 get special badges in live chat. It resets every stream, so you can always try again. How do you get on the leaderboard? There you go, guys. I'm gonna read it for you. You'll need to collect experience points or XP. Here's how you get them. Send live chat messages, send super chats or super stickers. So you only... Wait, Alex is rank 1, Hero Beloivo is rank 2, and Manish is rank 3. Olena rank 4, George rank 5, Patch rank 6, Naba rank 7, Warhead rank 8, and Abdu rank 9, and MS is rank 10. So actually the way you rank is only with chat messages, guys, that is good to know. So reactions won't rank you, but you can still help me, so you can still spam reactions, it's good for the stream. But only the top 3 ranks show. I will send you a screenshot though, guys, don't worry. At the end of the stream, I will post the screenshot of the top 10 people in the Discord. And as I said, on Monday, we will do the same. And at the end of Monday's stream, I will use Grok, so I'll use AI live on stream to choose the winners out of these 20 people. So you will have a really high chance of winning, guys. Wait, what's the chance? 20 times 100, that's like you have a 5% chance, is that true? Everyone has a 5% chance to win. If I give away 1 account only, you have a 5% chance to win. We're probably gonna give away more. Probably gonna give away a bit more on Monday, we'll see. Hopefully we get more accounts. Can you see the rank as well? Wait, you guys can see, I didn't know you can see it. I thought only I can see the rank. Alright, that is cool. This is such a great idea though, guys. This is such a great idea with the XP ranking. Feels like a video game. You guys are in a video game now. You gotta earn the accounts, guys. You gotta earn them. I hope we can get like 2 or 3 accounts at least for the Monday giveaway. Right now I can give you surely 1 FundedNext account. So we're surely gonna give away 1 FundedNext account, maybe 1 Alpha Capital account if I can actually get them by Monday, and probably a HyroTrader account as well. So we're gonna give away 3 accounts. You will have a really nice high chance of winning. You have a really high chance of winning, guys. All the active people on Monday. This is almost as exciting as the competition itself. I think spinning is fun as well. We will do spinning as well, but I'm gonna do more like the XP ranking. I think the XP ranking is better. But guys, don't spam too much, like... Don't spam too much. I skipped the gym for it, really. I mean, honestly, guys, like, for some people, like, these $15,000 accounts are really... How do I say this? I mean, imagine you live in India, or like in a country where you don't earn as much. Like, if they win a 50k account, it's really a big deal for them. You know what I mean? So this is actually really cool. A lot of people that have it harder to get these accounts will be able to win free accounts like this. I mean, how cool is that? And actually the last two winners, wait, let me see where the winners were from quickly. I'm gonna tell you the country. So Rajiv was from, wait, what was this? Rajiv was from India actually, who won an account. Louis was from Mexico. He has been in my streams a lot as well. And what was the other one? We also had some winners from Germany and Austria before. What else? Yapsira was from Ethiopia actually. So yeah, that's really cool, man. For some people, winning these accounts means a lot. So, bro, 2% on a 15 count is enough to support me and my parents for a month. Man, this is so crazy if I think about that. It's just, I'm glad that some people won from like countries where they don't earn as much, like India and all. Like we had 2 winners this week. I hope they're gonna pass it, man. I really hope they're gonna pass the accounts and get some payouts, guys. That would be so cool, man. I really pray for them that they're gonna pass these accounts, guys, and get payouts. Because as you said, like 2%, like 2 or 3% on a 50k account payout is a lot in these countries, man. This is like, I don't know how many months worth of salary. And right now, because the stream is not that big, you still have a really good chance of winning, but don't worry, guys. Once you get bigger, I'll get a lot more accounts. So we have to make up by getting more accounts once you get bigger. Yes, bro, you can live off it in luxury here. Bro, people in Europe and US take these accounts for granted. These accounts are coffee money for them. Yeah. I mean, listen, I cannot disqualify people if they, depending on the country they live. But we had a lot of people from countries where you don't earn as much that won accounts. So it's really fair, guys. But keep in mind, I'm gonna give them away randomly. But with the XP ranking, you can really have a big impact if you win the account. Because there will be only 20 people. There will be only 20 people in the draw on Monday, guys. You have a really, really high chance of winning. I do listen to music actually, but I don't wanna use copyright music on the stream. What a boring day so far. Hey, it's so boring. Like, this was a nice short, but it was off stream. I want to get a trade on stream, guys. I really want to get a trade on stream, but it's not giving us any setup. We didn't manage to reclaim the daily VWAP, by the way. Like, New York Open has been just really boring this week. Holy. Do you know when my count is likely to arrive? Start trading tomorrow, but nothing has arrived yet. HyroTrader takes a little bit longer. Peach User, I did send. Wait, did I send it? I did send it though. I'm gonna check again after the stream, Peach User. HyroTrader can take a bit longer though. Did you sign up with the link? Peach User, you signed up with the link as well, right? Try showing your face while you're live so you can see how handsome you are. I don't do this for 2 reasons, guys. No, actually 3. First of all, it's more stressful and more exhausting if you have to show your face, and I cannot focus on trading as much. And this is a trading stream. Second of all, it's privacy. I also like my privacy. And there are big streamers who don't show their face, so it's not really needed. It's not really needed to show the face. Maybe I'm gonna do it one day though, who knows? Maybe I'm gonna show my face one day. For some streams. I did actually stream with my face before. But keep in mind, guys, this picture is AI, a little bit AI, so I don't look as beautiful as on the picture, I think, at least. On the picture, I look like a model, man. It's made for clickbait, you know. So the first 10 people from today, Warhead, first 10 people from today get into the draw, and from Monday stream. So we will have 20 people in the draw. And if you're twice, guys, if you are Monday twice in the list, you will have double the chance, by the way. You will have double the chance of winning. So if your name is in the top 10 on Monday and on Tuesday, you will be twice in the list. So keep that in mind. But yeah, we're gonna make it so nobody can win 2 accounts though. But we'll have a much higher chance of winning. You'll have a much Yeah, if we hit 100k, we can do it, I guess. 100k is gonna take a long time anyway, so. We are dumping, guys, again. Didn't manage to reclaim the daily VWAP. Sellers are kind of strong today, I'm not gonna lie. But it's not enough for me to go into trade here. We are still not at a good level to trade, guys. I want a high probability setup. I really want a high probability setup. Why is my XP not moving? Wait, let me see your let me see you. Let me see where you are, Les. Where is Les? You are rank 17 actually. You have 75 XP. It's not bad. You're close to rank 10. People are really gonna spam a lot like this, man. We have to make sure people don't spam too much though. Thank you for all you do, no problem, man. You guys are supporting the whole thing, you know what I mean? Without you guys I wouldn't be able to give away any account, so... But we have to get much bigger, guys. We have to get much bigger for more accounts. Like even FundedNext. I only get 6 accounts on FundedNext every month, guys. It's not enough. It's really not enough. We need more accounts. The FundedNext gives me 6 $15,000 accounts each month to give away. So we need like 2 or 3 more prop firms. Then it's enough for so we can give out more more accounts. XP points are very tricky, man. Think about it. If I spam a comment, I'll get number 1. Yeah, guys, don't spam single words. If you do that, I'm gonna actually ban you. If there are some people that are gonna abuse it, I'm gonna ban you or time you out, whatever. Time you out for 1 hour or so. So don't spam like too much, like 1 words and stuff like this. Because that's not the goal. That's actually not the goal. I mean, we can also do top 20, but I think top 10 is more fun. What do you think, guys? Because if you do top 10, you all have a much higher chance of winning on Monday. Maven has short spreads. What do you mean? Shit spreads. Louis, welcome back, Louis. He's back in the chat here. Louis actually won an account, guys. Louis won an account yesterday, this lucky guy. I was very happy that he won though, because he has been in my streams before I even did giveaways. So he's like one of the true supporters, guys. He's like one of the guys who's not even here for the giveaways, more for the stream itself. And he was winning an account yesterday. Did you get it, Louis, by the way? I don't think you got it yet though. The other 2 people already received the account. I mean, spamming is not... I mean, spamming is kind of annoying, but, like, it's good that you guys comment a lot. It's good for the algorithm, so... Not again, Louis, not again. Imagine Louis wins again on Monday. He's not gonna be in the list today, I think, though. I mean, he's happy with his account. Guys, we can also do it so people cannot win, like, the same people cannot win within, like, 2 weeks. What do you think about a rule like this? Should we add a rule like this, guys, to the giveaways? What do you think? Because I think it's bad if 2 people win. It's like if the same person wins twice and within like 2 weeks or within like 3 weeks, something like this. Because I want new people to win the accounts as well first. That's what is bound to happen when it's set up that way. We can still do, guys, we can still do the spinning giveaways as well, sometimes. Because actually spinning is kind of fun. Some prop firm need a trader like you. I'm getting an account from you soon. Opto thinks he's gonna get an account soon. Yeah, well, you're rank 1 right now. Write names in a list. I'm doing that, Les. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. You're right. 1 people should not be winning twice. Yeah, I think so as well. At least twice in a week or like 2 weeks, I think. If they win like in 2 weeks again, then it's just then they're just lucky and really supportive, you know what I mean? But I don't even know what FundedNext would do if the same person wins twice. Would they actually send out the account? Do you play poker? I don't actually. Sadly don't, even though I would love to be good at poker. They will email it, yeah, you will get an email. Luis, you can actually see here, let me show you quickly. This is how it will look like, so, oh wait, oh no, I just leaked something, guys. I just actually leaked something, my bad. Sorry about that, I hope, yeah, I think you guys cannot see it anyways. That was quick. So, guys, here you can see the winners from yesterday and 2 days ago. Rachi won one, you can see your 50k account, and this is how the email will look like. It will say challenge purchase successful, but they will give it to you for free. So he said thanks, he got it, thank you so much, is what he said as well. And this was the Sira. You can see in the last 2 streams, we chose that winner live. I accidentally just leaked someone's name, guys, but it is not that bad. I don't think a lot of you people saw it. They may say it's rigged. What do you mean? Yeah, maybe. But the thing is how we can solve this, guys. I just need a partnership with more prop firms, because we can then easily give away like accounts from other prop firms to people that won on FundedNext before, you know what I mean? This is how we're gonna do it. Yeah, and I saw someone leak their seed phrase. Yeah, I saw that video as well. Man, that is crazy. And he lost like 100k or something, wasn't it that guy? There was some guy who leaked his seed phrase, I think, and he lost like 100k or even more, I think. I mean, that is bad if you leak that. That's the worst thing you can ever leak. No, we haven't watched anything. What is this boring market though, guys? Is it really gonna be one of these boring streams again? This is gonna be one of these days where we see the trade at 6 to 7 p.m. I mean, this is crazy. Maybe we gotta start streaming a little bit different during different times next week, if it's the same next week as well. Because I want to show some trades on stream. This is like kind of boring. I'm just waiting here. I mean, look at this. This is... We've just been consolidating below the daily VWAP now for almost... Yeah, for like 1 hour now, guys. For 1 hour we've been consolidating here. Maybe we're gonna break it now, hopefully. I would love to go higher again for a short or lower, guys. I might short... Wait, let me see where I could place a short again. I mean, 7176 looks like a really good short. At the high again. Wait, what would the stop loss be here? Let me see quickly. I wouldn't hold this too long though, guys, but this looks like a clean setup, something like this here. Entry at 7176, stop loss at 7196 here. This looks like a clean setup if you go higher again. We are below this point of control though right now, still. So this is a really strong resistance actually. Have you tried Kick or Twitch? I have, but YouTube is the best for trading, guys. YouTube is actually the best for trading. Kick is good for like for casino streams and in real life streams and stuff like this. A lot of sellers here. This is strange. Look at this, guys. We had so many sellers here, but the price is not going lower. Are we gonna see a short squeeze here? This actually looks really bullish here. The last... Wow. Okay, guys, look at this. It's playing out. This actually looks kind of bullish, I'm not gonna lie here. Right after I said it, we are pumped a bit. This was kind of bullish, and we have a ton of trapped shorts if we pump now here. This would be nice, guys, then we can still look for a short. Market is ranging. Yeah, it's been ranging here for a while now. I don't mind. If we go higher here, guys, I'm gonna look for a short again, for sure. It is late data. What do you mean by that, Samson? Giveaways. George, if you're new here, we're gonna do the giveaways like this. So at the end of the stream, the top 10 fans in the XP ranking will be put in a list. And on Monday, we're gonna do the same. So there will be 20 people. And on Monday's stream, we're gonna choose the winners from all these 20 people. So you all have a really high chance if you're just active in the chat. This is how it works, guys. This is how it's gonna work. You can check the XP yourself. If you press on the top right on the chat, you should see top fans. Alena's rank 1 now. Man, there are a lot of people with 150 XP. This is insane, guys. A lot of people are at the same rank right now. Like the top 7 people have 150 XP, all of them. The orderflow thing is late data. It isn't. This is not late data, my friend. This is live data from CME. This is the best data you can get. This is actually live. It might be a little bit delayed because of the stream, but I don't use any delay. XP something is weird. XP does work though. It should work. I just looked at it. There is a pump, guys. We might squeeze those shorts. Reclaim the daily VWAP. Now we're off to heaven. Let's see. I mean, I would like to get one trade. Do you have to pay for it? Yes, it is kind of expensive. It costs around $200 a month. I don't know why nobody on YouTube uses it, by the way. Nobody on YouTube uses orderflow. I don't know why, even though there are a lot of people trading ES. Let's make a quick vote. Let's make a quick vote here. Do you like the new giveaway system? XP? Yes, no, previous one was better. Let's see here what you guys think. I posted a quick poll here, guys. Let me know if you like this version better, guys. The giveaway. Or the one we used before. Do you use smart money SMT? No, I don't. I use orderflow and technical analysis. I don't use SMT. We are pumping here. I mean, this was a really bullish order flow here at the lows, guys. We had so many sellers in these 3 candles. We had here 750 negative delta, so 750 ES contracts more sold than bought. Here 840 negative delta. But we didn't really go lower, so you can see all the aggressive sellers here by the graph here going down. But we didn't make a new low, and we didn't dump a lot, so this was a bullish, this was actually a bullish CVD here. And then we pumped from it. But I want to see higher for my short, guys. This is not high enough here. This version is not good, bro. Really, Dankdolphin, you think so? Wait, a lot of people liked... Wait, why do a lot of people like the previous one better? Because yesterday a lot of you said I don't like it. The previous system was like randomly. So there was a you had to type exclamation mark giveaway, and random people could win. Even the ones who didn't chat like a lot in the stream, who were not active. And now if you're active, you have a much higher chance of winning. So yeah. I don't know, a lot of people like the other one. Why? I don't get it. It's a bad system. Maybe a lot of people, I don't know. I think this one is better though, guys. The spinning is much better. The thing is, the spinning one can get abused badly by bots. Because you can create multiple channels on YouTube. Like, one person can have 10 channels, then comment giveaway. And they can easily abuse it. You know what I mean? Not the best system for silent choice. Usually I just keep your stream running in the background and do other stuff on the side. That is also true though. That is also true. I mean, each one has... Wow, we are pumping, guys. Since this bullish CVD, we are pumping. Welcome back, everyone. Zero, welcome back. Lurkers do indeed get the short end of the stick. That is true. That is actually true, yeah. I didn't think about this. I think we should do like the giveaways sometimes like before and sometimes like this. This is engaging, so it's better for the stream as well, actually. For the stream itself, it is better, but I understand that people don't type a lot. Some of them, at least, don't type a lot. I mean, we're gonna try it out now, guys. On Monday, we will see. On Monday, we'll see which one you guys like more. Everyone is kind of forced into engaging. What we can do is maybe, yeah, what we could do though, well, not this time, but we can, like, instead of the top 10 fans, we could, let's see, for example, where was he? Lewis is ranked 20. Yeah, the lurkers don't show at all. Wait, Dank Dolphin, you're still ranked. Wait, Dank Dolphin, you're still ranked 7 though. You're ranked 7 actually right now. Did you even know that? You're ranked 7 right now, so I don't see it. Seems to be working. STHFUTURES, but yeah, STHFUTURES, for example, is a lurker, and he is ranked 32. So it is a little bit bad for people though that don't like to chat. That is true. We need to figure out a way, I guess. I've been actively engaging for the past 20 minutes, but my ranking has gone down 10 ranks down. How's that fair? Let me see. Where are you? Where is Kiru? Did you switch channels? You're rank 13 though. You're not in a bad rank. But lurkers get slapped. Look at Dolphin here. I mean, Dolphin is still rank 7 though, guys. He's actually rank 7, so he's still in the giveaway right now. I'm being forced to spend. Yeah, that's true though, guys. Yeah, I don't know, it's hard to please everyone. But we can do it like this. We can do different type of giveaways, guys. We can do for 2 days XP giveaway, then we can do a normal one. I guess this is fair as well. I guess we're just gonna switch around, guys. We're just gonna switch around with the giveaway types. I mean, if you have a good idea, guys, let me know. I'm open to ideas. You can always tell me. Let me know if you have a better idea than the current 2 ideas I had. We are pumping since this. Wait, so many cells here. They're all stock here now. The cells from 750 are stock, guys. Underwater right now. Switch it up every time. I think that's the way to go. To switch it up a little bit for you guys. So the lurkers can also win. Because I do understand this is a true point. And the lurkers actually are the ones that also support the stream, even though they're not chatting. We're gonna do it like this, guys. We're gonna switch it up a bit for you. I'm also gonna try to switch it up a bit here and there, so... Alina's comment, it feels somewhat random when XP gets pulled out. At least I don't see how it's working. I mean, you are rank 1, Alina. You shouldn't be complaining. Alina's rank 1 complaining about the XP system, that's funny. Yeah, it's kind of weird though, it is true. It does also seem a bit weird for me, but I don't know, it's YouTube, it should work. It says, so how do you get on the leaderboard? You need to collect experience points or XP, send live chat messages, send super chats and super stickers. So these are the only 2 options. I don't know why it's not working properly, guys. It should work. I mean, YouTube is a multi-billion company, guys. There's no way they can not properly program this, right? That was funny. Alina was complaining about the ranking system, but she was rank 1. How does it even work? It doesn't increase as you chat. Huh? Wait, why are you rank 1 now? Alina's rank 2 now. I don't know, it's a little bit strange, maybe. Maybe it's actually strange. Maybe you guys are right. It seems like you cannot get higher than 150 XP though, right? Because I've never seen someone having more than 150 XP. That is really weird. I think 150 XP is the highest you can actually get. That is strange. We gotta keep an eye on that, guys. Alex is going offline. Need to go. See you guys. See you, Alex. See you. Bye bye. I will find a better solution, trust. Yeah, let me know, guys, if you have a better solution or if there's a good bot or something that we can use. Because I don't, yeah, maybe there is a better. I tried both tricks and I tried this version, but if you guys find a better version, let me know. I don't mind using another one. The XP is capped per day. Yeah, it looks like it. I will exceed 150 mark. I mean, I've never seen one higher than 150. Maybe it resets if you're not active, if you don't stay active, something like this. Wait, let me ask ChatGPT. Maybe ChatGPT is actually gonna answer our questions here, guys. ChatGPT might be it here. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT quickly here. Where's the XP system? There it is. Why is the YouTube live stream I asked ChatGPT now, let's see. It's not bugged, that's how YouTube live chat XP system works. So the top fans expect caps per stream. Once someone hits 150 XP, they basically reach the max XP you can earn for that stream, so it stops increasing. Prevents spam farming, people sending 1,000 messages, keeps the leaderboard fair, rewards activity, not spam, encourages consistent engagement across multiple streams. Your top 10 all being at 150 XP, they all hit the cap. Ranking is then decided by who reached it first. Engagement timing, not more messages. Wait. But wait, what happens? Reaches 150 XP and stops. So 150 XP is the cap, guys, but let me quickly check something. Once someone hits 150 XP, they can later stop typing. So if you only check XP at the end of the stream... I don't know how we're gonna do this, guys. We might need another software, I guess, for this. I don't know. Because this one caps actually at 150. Yeah, we need to find a different way, guys. We actually have to find a different way, I guess. Maybe there are some really good bots, though, that I haven't found yet for giveaways. But because this one caps at 150, it's like really weird. It is like really weird. So if you actually reach 150, you don't need to spam anymore. I barely talked today and hit the 150 XP. There are still some people that... So we have 16... No, wait, we have 14 people with 150 XP only. And the rest are under 100. Yeah, we need to find a better way, guys. If you... Yeah, I'm gonna do some research. I have something for you. We gotta find some different version, but I'm gonna do it like this. Don't do the giveaway right now, I'll find a better way. So TC Plan is looking for a better way. Export chat log. Oh yeah, that's a good idea as well. Wait, can I see the whole chat log though? That is actually a really smart idea as well. But can I export the whole chat log? Is that possible? We are pumping, guys. Wait. What is happening? We have the value high again. Do we have any bearish order flow? No, we don't have bearish order flow yet, so we're gonna wait a bit longer here. Actually, still kind of bullish order flow right here. I'm gonna wait for a bit higher here, guys. Let's see. It's only 5 p.m. Some properties need a trader like you. What do you mean? With this kind of giveaway, the chat is horrible. Yeah, we have a lot of people that are spamming. But on the other hand, the chat is just a lot more active than before as well. You'll get down if you're not active. Really? Does it go down, Samsung? Does it actually go down if you're not active? Because ChatGPT told me it doesn't go down. Because that would be better then. I'm looking at the CVD right now, guys. So this is what I'm looking at the CVD right here. But right now it's still bullish, so I think we can pump a bit higher. We had bullish CVD since this low here. I even said it. So if we go higher, we're gonna look for one more short. But it is Friday, guys. We have to keep that in mind. Friday is always has a bit weird price action sometimes. What do we see here? Let me quickly have a peek here. I mean, 7176 looks like a decent short that we can try again. We don't have a session, so we don't have a session point of control. We don't have an order flow level higher actually. This is the only one we have. Like, we don't have much more liquidity higher actually. All got taken out. If you don't chat anymore, it goes down. I mean, that is good at least. That is good though, at least. I didn't know it goes down because ChatGPT told me it doesn't go down. That is actually good though. I mean, I think I'm not gonna do the giveaway today anyways, guys. We're gonna do it on Monday, right? With the top chatters on Monday and Tuesday. I mean, from today and Monday. Because I need to find more accounts to give away. Those indicators are very good, yeah. Order flow is really good to use. Friday's capital preservation day. Yeah, that's exactly right. That is exactly right. Sometimes Friday, especially before market close, there can be some strange moves. When do you call it a day and walk away? Do you have a cut-off time? It really depends. It really depends. So either when I hit 2 stop losses, or when I took some really good trades already, then I call it a day. Why Monday? The reason why I'm gonna do it on Monday is because I need to find more accounts. So we're gonna do one FundedNext on Monday, and I'm gonna find another 1 or 2 accounts for Monday. But the people from today will be in the giveaway on Monday, guys. Don't worry. So the top chatters from today will be in the giveaway from Monday. Don't worry about that. But we might have to find a different way, guys. We might have to find a different way. Easy Plan is looking for a different way for the giveaway. Still pushing higher. Wow, what a big candle here. Big green candle. I don't know, this. I'm not gonna lie, guys. The order flow looks still kind of good here. Like we can go higher. This is gonna be the first big resistance, 7176. I already took some trades today, Samsung, so this is why I don't want to. I'm gonna take one more trade today, that's it. I'm gonna do it like that, guys. I'm gonna look for one setup more. Maybe from here we will see the reaction from this level. I haven't placed the limit though. Wait, this is a 1 hour. This is actually a 1 hour as well. I'm gonna place one. Guys, we're gonna probably try one more short here. Wait, what is the stop loss here? It's above this wick here. When is the chat ending? Before I go offline. So I'm probably like 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna go offline. We'll see. Then 176. I mean, the thing is we hit this high 4 times now, so this is not gonna be as strong anymore as before this level. It's kind of sad we don't have an order flow level. We're at the high of the whole range here again. Because you only use limit orders or ever mark. I do only use limit orders because it's easier on TradingView. But if I want to go in market, I just place it at the current price, and also the fees are better. They're coming for you. I'm deciding if I should take one more short here, guys. I already traded this level before. I'm kind of deciding if I should risk one more here. I'm looking at the order flow. I would go out of this one quick though. I don't want to hold this one too long. Yeah, let's risk. I'm gonna risk one more here, guys, at the previous week value high. But I'm gonna close this at 1.5 hour. Wait, let me see the 5 minute quickly. Like, this is a really quick trade. I'm not gonna put my take profit far away here. So this is the level, the only level there is actually. This is the only level we have, guys. Previous week value high. There's no other order flow level besides this. But we have a 1 hour level here as well. And we have these 5 minute opens. I'm still waiting a bit. I haven't placed it yet. I'm just leaving it open like this, guys. I have not placed it yet. I kind of want to see the reaction from this level. The thing is, it's just at the same level I traded before. Yeah, let's wait for the reaction here, guys. Let's just wait for the reaction. I'm not gonna place the limit here yet. We might miss it then, because it can be a really fast move, but it's just safer in case we see a big pump here to the highs. Then I'm gonna have a better entry. I'm gonna wait with placing this here. Right now, the order flow is still bullish. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold this long. No, I'm not gonna hold this long. I want to close this at 1.5 hour. Max 2 hour. Because this is short and it's, yeah, this Friday. Any book you recommend about trading? From Mark Douglas. The trading psychology books are decent. There are no good books about strategy. I mean, about strategies, in my opinion. This was really the low here, huh? So we're gonna see the reaction once we hit this level, guys. If we see a bearish CVD print or bearish order flow, I'm gonna short this, but I'm being a bit careful because it's Friday. And we have actually hit this level now 4 times. So this is the 5th attempt. And usually the more a level gets hit, the less strong the resistance is. So we can maybe also see a breakthrough and just push higher. So this is why I'm a little bit careful here, guys, on this short. And I already traded this, as you can see, I shorted this before. What indicator? I use order flow. I use order flow. Yeah, it's really, Alena, sadly there are no good books, like when it comes to strategy or order flow or anything. There are literally no good books there. Most books are written by people that don't even really trade. But when it comes to psychology, there are really good books. Like Mark Douglas, Trading Psychology is a good book. If you have issues with psychology, this is a good book to read. What assets do hedge funds trade mostly? I'm not sure if they trade more futures or CFDs or options. I actually don't know. But ChatGPT would answer this question, I guess. We had some sells here, but we haven't reached this level yet. 2.3k sells at this high. There are some sellers coming in here. We're above the value high here, guys, as you can see now. This is like the only confluence for a potential short here. This value high. Such a strange CVD right now, actually. It doesn't give us any any confirmation for a short or a long, like anything. It's kind of neutral. We did have what's not looking good though, guys. We did have a lot of more sellers here. We had more sellers, a little bit more sellers than buyers, but we went higher on price. So it still looks like we can go a bit higher, but let's see. Trading in the zone, I will go over. It will go over your head. The first time you read it, it's a lot more beneficial when you read it after multiple years. That is true. That is true. I mean, we can see a pullback here, even though the CVD, but I want to be careful, guys, a bit. I already shorted this level off stream. So Opto is playing poker. Oh no, wait, that wasn't you. Samson, I think Samson is. I'm just looking at the order flow right now, guys. Literally just looking at the order flow. There is some reaction now though. We are literally at the same level here again. Look at this, we were here 2 times already. A lot of sellers now. We bought, wait, did you long? Did you guys long? Wait, what? I'm definitely not gonna long here, guys. That would be really risky. Like a short is much more profitable here, in my opinion. We're seeing a lot of sellers though, but the price is not going down yet. So we're at the high of the range soon, guys, again. We almost hit the exact high. There is a 1 hour resistance right here though. We can maybe see a pullback right here already. We'll see. It depends if these sellers are gonna win right now. We have a lot of sellers right here. 2.8k cells opened, 2.3k here. Is anyone shorting this, guys? Is anyone shorting this? Is anyone gonna short this, guys? I'm gonna wait a bit here. Wow, a lot of sellers here, but the price is still staying high. Look at the CVD line, guys, going down. We had a lot more sellers here than buyers. Are they gonna end up winning? Right now they're not winning yet. There are 3.1k buyers. They're kind of fighting against each other. Gonna be a bit patient here, guys. Gonna be a bit patient. In the worst case, we're gonna miss the trade. I guess it is how it is, but I already shorted this level before. Like I even shorted higher. I was in a short from 7,183, I think it was, around that. There are some buyers, big buyers stepping in here. I mean, if we go higher now, guys, we can easily go to the high again. A lot of sellers, but price is not going down yet. People get creative for a 15k account. Yeah, people really want to win this. I see it in the chat, guys. A lot of people are spamming a little bit random stuff sometimes. But it is how it is, guys. We're gonna do different type of giveaways. The easy plan is all you're looking for something, he said, that we can use as well. I'm probably also gonna do some research. Maybe there are some really good bots like that I can use on YouTube to like do the giveaways. Guys, did anyone enter short already, or are you also waiting? Still going higher. Kind of focused right now, guys, because I still want. I'm looking at the order flow right now. See if we're gonna take one more trade here. That would be a trade on stream. That would be nice. But I don't want to just take a trade because I'm alive right now, guys. I took this short here, as you can see. I shorted this here before. I took a really nice short and closed it here. So yeah, I already shorted this level before. And we might see a breakout here. I mean, it's Friday, we will see though. I would like to see a bit higher though, before I go into short. Still going higher here, guys. And we had more sellers than buyers here in the last 3 candles. But the price is going higher, so that's bullish right now. That is actually bullish. Come on, give us a bit of a pump here. It would actually be nice to see a big pump, and then we can go into short, but like a 10 points pump, or 10 to 15 points. Like to the highs again. Then I'm definitely gonna short, then with a really nice stop loss. What kind of bots are you looking for? Are there ones that can identify other bots? I'm not sure, but there should be better ones. So Marius says we can go higher. Yeah, I think we can. It's Friday. I mean, guys, you know how Friday is. There are usually weird price action before the market close. Ooh, big pump. Good that we waited, guys. Good that we waited here. Now we have a green positive delta here. Are we gonna squeeze all these shorts now? That would be crazy. Almost at the high. Yeah, we're getting really close to the high. So the absolute high was 7186 here, guys. Now we're at 7174. Man, the CVD is helping us out a lot right now, though, that we're not gonna go early into these sellers. Can you make a custom bot for you? I don't think you can. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can, I think, but it's like probably a bit difficult to get approved. Yeah, I'm looking for one more short from higher for the last trade of the day. I'm giving it a little bit time here. I think we can squeeze a bit higher. There were so many shorts here, and they're already underwater. And we had a lot of shorts here as well. Look at this, so many stacked shorts at the lows. They're all underwater, guys. Soon, I think. Use index affect the asset you trade. Does it use the index? It does, yeah. DXY affects it, yeah. I often look at DXY as well, on long term at least. Trading gold would be nice. We can do some gold trading streams, yeah, we can do that. This chat is annoying. Patch is getting really tilted. Yeah, we probably have to change that patch. We have to change that a bit, giveaways maybe. We'll have to find out the perfect way. There are a lot of people just farming XP. A lot of people want to win those accounts. Patch is really angry, guys, at you. Come on, stop spamming, guys. This chat is wild today. They all want to get to the top rank. The thing is, Elena, right now we don't have any order flow higher. Else I would, if we would have a nice order flow level, I would place the limit. But we don't really have an order flow level, so we have to just look at the order flow and at these levels here from before, the highs from before. Right now we're at the high of the range though. And the thing is, I already traded this level. I usually don't like to take the same trade twice, so I did short this before. This is why I'm a little bit careful on this one, guys. And the CVD is kind of confusing right now. It looks bullish still. It actually does still look bullish. Time out these people. We do have a mod. Oh wait, our mod is not here. Our mod is actually not here. He went out. Stop spamming the emojis though. I'm gonna actually time out the guys who spam emojis quickly. I'm gonna time out the people who spam these emojis. 5-minute timeout for these people. And guys, you don't have to spam emojis. This is literally not the goal of it. I mean, guys, if you want, you can try a short here. I don't know. I think we can go a little bit higher. Still didn't quite hit that. Such a strange market right now, guys. It's 5:20 p.m. Remember, guys, what happened yesterday? The biggest move was at 6 p.m. 7 p.m. I think we can go a bit higher, and then later in the evening we can actually see a bigger correction, hopefully. Yeah, Friday is just always so, especially Friday at this time. Maybe I'm not gonna even take any more trades. We will see. If we find a clear sign here on the order flow, or a stronger push to the upside, we will look for one more short. The order flow is so strange here as well. Here it went up, then it went down. We didn't go lower in price, and now it's going up again. So it's actually still a slightly bullish, I would say, but not a lot. I can help with the mod thing. I will only choose. I'm probably gonna choose a mod next week. A new mod as well. We need some more. Touch grass, leave it, mate. Yeah, you might be right actually to take a break here for like 20 to 30 minutes. And just see what the price is gonna do. I don't trust entering a short here again. Actually, we have been at this level 5 times now. And the more we touch it, guys, the less strong the level will be. There wasn't much activity today. What do you mean? Market activity? Only for us to get clapped on Monday. So Marius is waiting on Nasdaq. Wait, where is the 27,350? Let's have a look here. Yeah, this is also the high ESI, so you're waiting for this high. I also would like to see this high, actually. I would love to see that. Then it's much, because if we enter up here, we have a much safer stop loss, guys. Look at this. If we enter around here, I'm gonna show you why I'm so a little bit patient here. If we enter here, our stop loss would be above 7,200, so we would have to see a really big pump. But if I enter here, my stop loss is basically at this last high. So the probability of getting stopped out is much higher. This is why I'm so careful. This is Friday, guys. It is Friday evening. So I'm a little bit careful and just protecting my capital. I took a nice short, so there's no need to like rush into any trade. I will help you. Just let me know. Yeah, sure. They're just waiting for retail trades to go impatient and get trapped once they enter. Yeah. It was like this yesterday as well, TC Plan. Like the big dump yesterday was at like 6 p.m. Then like 50 minutes. Wait, was it at 6 p.m.? Yeah, it was. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, basically at 6 p.m. there was this big dump. That was a really clean trade though, by the way. Look at this, guys, yesterday. This was the 1 hour open here. This was the 1 hour open, so look if you entered here. If you entered at this line yesterday, this was an insane short. I was actually in this trade, guys, but I closed it early, so I didn't close. This would have been a 5-hour trade, by the way. This actually would have been a 5-hour trade from yesterday, from this high. So we thought this is an insane. Sadly, I closed it. I closed it around here, around $500. I closed it, so I didn't expect us to dump that much. That was a crazy dump here. What else do we have here? Daily, 1 hour. Next week, I think, honestly guys, next week I think we can see a big move. We have been now 1 week consolidating here. So I think next week we finally see a nice week where we can trade live. This week was really boring, my live streams, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I took the best trades off stream. But like trading before New York Open and late at night makes no sense because most people aren't watching at that time. Look at this, we're still going higher, guys. This is why I'm careful. Like, it's really a strange price action right now. And I think we can go to the highs again and stop out all the shorts. They're trying to short here. We are at the value high now again. We are actually at the high here again. And at this 5 minutes resistance level here. If sellers lose now, we are pumping. Yeah, that's it. I mean, if we... This is it. We could see a breakout now, and then we'll probably even go to 7,200 if it's a real breakout. And that wouldn't surprise me for a Friday night. This is it, guys. It's like so... This week was so boring to trade, but we will find nice trades on stream. Don't worry, guys. We had insane trades on stream before. Just this week was boring. This was a boring trading, like a live stream week at least. We will find some nice trades. Don't worry, guys. Now we're at the highs, guys. Now we're actually almost at the previous week value high. A lot of buyers here. Look at this. CVD is going up. A lot of positive delta. New buyers stepping in still here. This is why we have to be patient, guys. Maybe it's also wise to just not trade until Sunday and look for maybe a short on Sunday. Welcome Zakira to the stream. Welcome. We'll get them next week. Yeah, we will get some nice live trades next week. I mean, this week was absurd for live streaming. Did we even have one good... Yeah, actually we had one good trade this week, I think, on stream. Yeah, this is what it is, guys. We cannot change how the market moves. We cannot change it. Still, wow, so many buyers. So since here, we had a lot of new buyers since this candle. Are we actually gonna pump now above this high? That would be kind of funny. So who's on top 10 right now, guys? Alena, Kiru, George, Batched. Batched is actually rank 4, Naba, Peach. We have a lot of people though that I know the name of that are ranked top 10. There it is, guys. This is why we're patient here, right here. Let's see. We are pumping. Holy pump. Strong trending, yeah. Like longs are just so much easier than shorts, guys. This is a weird day. Yeah, I agree. I had a really nice short though, but I'm happy I closed it. I'm actually happy I closed it. So this was the short I took here off stream, sadly. This was at 1 p.m, so 2 hours before New York Open. I entered here, closed it here. So it was a really good close now, actually. It was a really nice close. But maybe, yeah, you can see what. But look at this strong delta. Wow. So many buyers here. The odds of this annoyingly going higher is very possible. Hope I get a nice signal next week from you, bro. Yeah, we will get nice trades. Don't worry, guys. We had very crazy trades on my streams before. Just this week was really lame. We had like only like one good trade or like two max. But we had some, yeah, it was just a boring week for streaming. Like the best trades were not around New York Open this week. You work with the Greek, I see. We're riding our bike this evening again. Yes, I'm probably gonna go for a bike ride, thank Dolphin. After the stream. I might even go off soon, guys, and just wait a bit. We still have four hours for market close. So if we pump much higher, I'm gonna look for a short, but right here, I don't know, it's just that CVD is looking bullish. The CVD is looking bullish, guys. We hit this level now, though. If you want to try a short, this would be the level, guys. And if you want to try small, but I'm not gonna take this one. Wow, crazy how it was hit to the dollar here though, so far. Someday analyze gold, we can do that, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, guys, this market, like, I don't know. Now there are sellers stepping in though, so this was actually the level I called before, but I don't know, I'm careful with shorts, guys. I'm really careful. Wow, it was actually hit to the dollar though. Are we gonna dump now from this level? We had a lot of sellers now, guys. Look at this, 800 sellers. What I'm gonna do now though, guys, before I go offline anyways, now we're gonna see who are the top fans. The war is over, yeah, that's true. So who are the top 10 fans, guys? I'm gonna check right now and note your I'm gonna write your names down. I'm gonna post the list here on X quickly, so you also can see the list. Top 10 chatters today. And I'm gonna put it onto ChatGPT to write them out. Write out these names. Let me show you quickly for transparency, guys. Make sure I don't leak anything. So these were the top 10 chatters of today, guys. Hiru, Alena is ranked 2, George, Batched, Naba, Abu, Samson, Peach User, Les, and Dank Dolphin. And I did write them out. So on Monday, these will be included in the giveaway. These will be included in the giveaway, guys. Yeah, we're gonna do the same on Monday, and then we have 20 people, and out of these 20 people, I'm gonna use AI to choose the winners, guys. So you guys are in, make sure you're in the stream on Monday if you can, especially on the once we roll the giveaway. But we have some OGs in here. I mean, Alena is one batched as well. Naba has been here a lot as well. Samson as well, Peach User as well, obviously. Thank Dolphin. There are some people I know, so it is, yeah, it is really working, I guess. It is working, guys. We didn't win. You didn't win yet. We're gonna choose the winners, but you have a really high chance of winning, guys. So on Monday, you have a high chance of winning because there will only be 20 people in the giveaway. So you have a really high chance of winning. You have a really, really high chance of winning. Yeah, I'm gonna call it for today. Maybe, guys, I'm gonna short higher. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know in the Discord. I'm gonna let you know in the Discord. Yeah. But right now I wanna wait a bit longer here, guys. I don't trust this, honestly. I don't trust this Friday late night. Well, not late night, but 5 PM market. But maybe we're gonna see a short today. I'll see. If we see a bigger bump here, I'm gonna look for a short. Abu dead as part. Wait, some people are. Pay attention to the messaging bot. Which one? Who is a bot? Who do you think is a bot? Guys, on Monday we will choose the winners. On Monday we will choose the winners, guys. This is how we're gonna do it. So you will have a good chance. If you're in the list, you have a good chance of winning, guys. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait here. I mean, I took the short before, guys. I might take one more short if we go higher here. But I don't trust this yet. If you want, you can try a short here. There is a chance, guys. There is actually a chance that we go lower from here. But I don't know. I don't trust it right now. I don't trust this. I think we can go a bit higher and get a better entry. I'm gonna let you know in the Discord though, guys. And hopefully next week will be better. I mean, this week was boring for streaming. I really hope next week we can see a big move as well and some really big this was the best trade, by the way, as well, if someone entered this. But look at this, this was the exact low here. And this was an insane trade, exact orderflow level low. Followed by a really strong pump. The up to man. We know what we're gonna do, TC Plan. We're gonna see on Monday if he spams again like this. But I've seen him in a lot of streams though. I've seen him in a lot of streams. But he does text a little bit much, yeah, that is true. He does text a bit much. Guys, don't fight against each other, come on. There's really no point. I mean, some people really want to win that, so I can understand why they spam a lot, but it's still good for the algorithm, I guess. As long as it's not too annoying. Because then I'm gonna time them out. He never won an account before though, so... Yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I mean, you're pumping again. Maybe I'm gonna go into short. I'll let you guys know in the Discord. But I'm gonna go out to the gym now. And maybe go for a ride on my bike. See you on Monday though. Maybe we're gonna do a weekend stream. But it was a boring day, guys, for streaming. We didn't find any setup. Even this long was not a quality setup. Even if you longed here, this was not a good long here at all. Like, this was a random move to the outside. There was no real level here. Not even a technical level, nothing. So yeah. Boring day, guys. Boring day. Ian followed back on Twitter. I mean, he supports me though. He's been on like 4 streams at least. I mean, he's right. Up to try to spam not that much on next stream. Try to not spam that much on the next stream. Because it can be a bit annoying for some people, I guess. I understand it as well. It can be a bit annoying, so try to calm down a bit next stream. Alright guys, I wish you a nice weekend though. I wish you a nice weekend. On Monday we choose the winners. Maybe we're gonna see a trade today. I'm gonna wait a little bit and take a break off the charts here and see where we are. What a boring day though. Have a nice weekend, guys. Monday we choose the winners, and we will find a way to make the giveaways better. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna look at during the weekend. I will see if I find some better ways. So we can also not get too much spam in the chat, because it can be a little bit annoying. This chat is boring. Yeah, it was really boring. Like, it was kind of boring. Especially after New York Open. The best trades are never at New York Open when I stream. Like, it's so boring. Alright, guys. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for watching though, thanks for watching. And we are back on Monday, and maybe I'm gonna look for one more trade today. I'll let you guys know, guys. See you, Dank Dolphin, see you, Alena,